In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an integrated Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI, instance from an existing Oracle Fusion Applications environment. An integrated FDI instance connects to an existing Oracle Fusion Applications environment, simplifying administration by sharing the same Oracle Cloud Infrastructure tenancy, identity domain, region, compartment, and intended use as the connected Fusion Applications environment. In this scenario, my organization already has Oracle Fusion Applications environments and an activated FDI subscription. I'll create a development instance integrated with my existing Fusion test environment. I'll begin by signing into the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure console as a tenancy administrator. From the navigation menu, I'll select Analytics and AI, choose Data Intelligence, and select Create Instance. I'll set integration type to Integrated, choose my Fusion test environment, and select Continue. From the Environment Details page, I'll open the Integrations tab, choose to add Fusion Data Intelligence, and select Continue. If a Fusion Applications release update or maintenance operation is in progress, I must wait until it completes before I can continue creating the instance. Oracle redirects me to the Create Instance page where several fields are automatically populated from the selected Fusion Applications environment. If needed, I can update the display name, description, and notification email before continuing. The Offerings section displays information from my Fusion Data Intelligence subscription, and the intended use automatically matches the selected Fusion Applications environment. I'll review my selected subscription. Before I create the instance, I'll verify the Fusion application connection matches the intended Fusion Applications environment. If it does not, I need to return and select the correct Fusion environment because this connection cannot be changed during instance creation. This integrated instance will use OAuth authentication with the connected Fusion Applications environment. Now I'll configure network access. I can select Private to restrict access to users connected through a virtual cloud network. Before creating a private instance, the required virtual cloud network, subnets, network security groups, and OCI IAM policies must already be configured. I'll select Public, which provides an internet-accessible endpoint. Users still authenticate through the connected Fusion Applications environment using OAuth. If needed, I can register the autonomous AI database with Oracle DataSafe during provisioning or complete that configuration later. After reviewing the configuration, I'll select Create Instance to begin provisioning. Oracle begins provisioning the integrated Fusion Data Intelligence instance. Provisioning typically takes about an hour. During this time, I'll monitor the deployment from the Instances page. The integration type may temporarily display as standalone before changing to integrated when provisioning finishes. In the Tenancy Entitlements page, I can review entitlement usage showing the newly provisioned instance. Oracle then sends an email containing the Fusion Data Intelligence admin console URL and connection details. At this point, the implementation team can begin loading data into Fusion Data Intelligence. Before anyone can administer the environment, a domain administrator must assign the required Fusion Data Intelligence system groups. Now, I'll assign administrator access to the new Fusion Data Intelligence instance. I'll sign into the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure console as a domain administrator. I'll complete my organization's sign-in process, including multi-factor authentication if required. In the Oracle Cloud Applications homepage, I'll select the Navigator, open Identity and Security, select Domains, and choose the identity domain associated with the Fusion Applications environment used during instance creation. Because this is an integrated deployment, FDI shares the same identity domain as the connected Fusion Applications environment. In the User Management tab, I'll select the user who will administer the FDI environment. After opening the user's details, I'll select the Groups tab. To grant administrative access, I'll select Assign User to Group. Search for the FDI system groups created during provisioning, choose the Service Administrator group, and then select Assign User. The user now has the Service Administrator role for the new FDI instance. After the administrator group has been assigned, I'll go back to the provisioning email and select the link to the Fusion Data Intelligence Admin Console. Then, I'll sign in using my administrator credentials. Single sign-on is automatically enabled through the shared identity domain for an integrated deployment. Now that I've created an integrated Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence instance and assigned administrator access, the environment is ready for implementation, user onboarding, and data loading. As a service administrator, I can assign additional roles and permissions to other users as needed. Find more Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence tutorials and additional implementation resources in the links below.